uMthunzi is pushing kakhulu manje. Usephusha kakhulu. Masethi ke manje uDambisa akadate ubaba wakhe uSamday. uSamday useyabona ukuthi indlela sengiphusha ngakho lo mfana cha kuyasho ngempela ukuthi ubezoyifunela nje amafa engasiwona ke awakhe. But ke sekunzima. I'm so scared guys for uSamday ukuthi uMthunzi angamthumba nokumthumba. Phela uMthunzi is capable of doing anything. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sai Live Show. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on eTV Scandal from the 19th to the 23rd of May 2025 on Monday. Sammy is left shocked by a subtle demand from Mthunzi. Dintle is re-traumatized by a crime and caused into believing that Mthunzi is behind it. Poet seeks help for a loved one on Tuesday. Vuvu is determined to unveil the truth no matter the cost. The authorities are brought in and the fingerprint dusted, causing panics. Friends find themselves at odds on Wednesday. Sammy realizes he has made a huge error. Mathubela admits to a mistake, but not everyone is forgiving. Tlhogi is given a taste of solo parenting on Thursday. A son gaslights his father to hide his own deception. Tloso is shocked to hear about an arrest. Tlhogi and Dala struggle to cope with their new normal on Friday. While the deception unfolds, Mthunzi keeps his eye on the other moving pieces. Madlomo proposes a shocking punishment. Poet sees an advert and gets an idea. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Umthunzi is pushing kakhulu.